I'm Alyssa Reindell, co-founder and owner of EverGreen ZeroWaste. We offer residential compost collections from Glenwood Springs to Aspen, and we offer commercial services in that same area, but also along I-70 from Vail to Rifle. Certified compostables make it really easy for our customers to set up zero waste operations. They can create that back of house pretty easily, but to bring it to the front of house and for customers to do some sorting, they really have to do a really good job of sourcing that material, making sure it is certified and compliant with the regulations set by the compost processors. And so when they have that certified dinnerware, they can make those signs that are specific to what they have, eliminating that contamination and confusion with sorting. And then when we do green events, we really work hard pre-event to make sure that the vendors are sourcing certified materials that are well labeled, and that itself is education for the attendees as well. It allows for that straightforward messaging of everything in your hand is compostable and you can deposit into this one bin.
Hi, my name's Liz Morrow. I'm the manager of the South Canyon Landfill. We are a city-owned and operated landfill and composting facility in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. We started accepting certified compostables in 2021, so just about 4 years. We were accepting food waste before that, so it was a fairly easy add. I would say that accepting certified compostable packaging helps us accept more food. When we started accepting compostable packaging, we did not change anything about our system. We wanted to just see if it worked in our existing system first. And we found right away with the first batches that we took that it was working. And the reason we can tell that is because we are not seeing compostable packaging in our overs at all. And so if it wasn't composting, we would be seeing it on the back end.
My name is Doug Oliver. We are at the Pitkin County Solid Waste Center. We get a lot of compostables from events here in the valley. X Games, Aspen Food and Wine Classic, Jazz Aspen Snowmass, which are Memorial Day, Labor Day weekends. Those are the big ones. We find out whether or not the compostable materials are breaking down after it goes through the cooking process, the curing process, and then when it's screened. Most of the time, there's no evidence of any of the compostables, and that's just, there for roughly 5 weeks from when I start building the windrow to when I move it to the curing area after it's made all the temps. I grew up on a ranch. I'm not a quote-unquote tree hugger, but I'm all for it.
Honestly, we're doing something that just feels so good. Yeah, it might be a little bit more work, but it's worth it. And there's a lot of resources to make it as easy as possible. There's a lot of celebration in creating that finished compost and adding it back into our gardens and adding it back into crops. And I'd like everybody to be a part of that and feel good about what they're doing.